Now, the crisis in the Middle East remains a pressing concern for the international community, with growing calls for restraint and dialogue.
And echoing those concerns, the United Nations has stepped up discussions to address the escalating tensions. And I'll go over here for the details. A plenary meeting of the United Nations General Assembly was held at the United Nations headquarters to discuss the situation in the Middle East, following the Security Council's failure to adopt a draft resolution on maritime security and shipping through the Strait of Hormuz. The meeting drew broad participation from UN member states. Our correspondent Tian Anh reports.
Most of the 66 statements expressed concern over the prolonged conflict in the Middle East and tensions in the Strait of Hormuz, and called on the Security Council to take effective steps to end the conflict. Ambassador Đỗ Hùng Việt, permanent representative of Vietnam to the United Nations, reaffirmed Vietnam's support for ASEAN's common position on the situation in the Middle East. The conflict has caused significant casualties, disrupted trade and agitated supply chains, and seriously affected the global economy, particularly for developing countries. Vietnam opposes military attacks against sovereign states, especially those that have stated they are not party to the conflict, and stressed the responsibility to protect civilians and essential civilians' infrastructure.
Amid the temporary ceasefire, the parties should use this opportunity to maintain communication and create space for diplomacy. Tian Anh reporting for Việt Nam Today from New York.